In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your website in Shopify. Previewing your store is a simple but important step because it lets you see exactly what your customers will experience before you share your site with the world. I'll walk you through how to access that preview directly from your Shopify dashboard, and I'll explain what you're looking at so you can feel confident about the way your store appears. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is the main control center for your store, where you manage products, orders, customers, and your online storefront. If you're not on the dashboard already, you can usually get there by clicking on the Home or Dashboard option in the main menu after logging in. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a vertical menu. This is your main navigation, and it includes options like orders, products, customers, and so on. In that list, look for the section labeled Online Store. This is where you manage how your website looks and functions for visitors. Now, instead of clicking directly on the words Online Store, move your mouse over that area and pause for a moment. When you hover over Online Store, you should see a small eye icon appear. This eye symbol is the shortcut to previewing your live storefront. It's designed to quickly show you what your customers will see without needing to open any extra settings or menus. Go ahead and click that eye icon. Shopify will open a new tab or window in your browser with a full preview of your website. This is your store's front end, just like a visitor would see it. Take a moment to scroll through your homepage, check your navigation menu, and click into a few product or collection pages to make sure everything looks and feels right. If you've recently changed your theme, updated colors, added new sections, or adjusted your content, this preview is where you can confirm that those changes appear correctly. If something doesn't look the way you expected, simply go back to your Shopify dashboard, adjust your theme or content settings, and then click the eye icon again to refresh your preview, and that's it. By using the eye icon under Online Store in your Shopify dashboard, you can quickly and easily preview your website and make sure it's ready for your customers.